Here are the windows on the front of the park model. We had to change them all. There were cracks in them. This one was fine. This one is fine. This one is fine. This one we have changed a couple times. The glass keeps breaking. I'm thinking the windows ought to square by just enough that when we try to put an actual square piece of glass in there, it cracks. So, what hubby's done is he has gotten a sheet of plastic glazing. Now, I'm sure that this is going to eventually yellow in the sun and with age, and it's not going to look anything like as nice as the glass does when it does that, but it's not cracking, and that has to be a complete benefit. So that's where we are with this.